What is up? Just a little quick throw in here, another tutorial. My name is Wommack, and we saw that Ryan Garcia fight, and since then there are those pictures online on his Instagram taken by a photographer named Andrew Blue, and you guys have been blowing up my Instagram DMs asking and requesting this look, how to recreate this kind of bloomy, really soft highlight glowy look. And there's actually the easiest way to do it, probably the way that Andrew Blue, the photographer, did it, was to use a filter like this on top of your lens, a Dream filter or Black Pro Mist by Tiffin. But these can get really expensive. I think they start at around $100. So we're not gonna do this today. I wanna show you how to recreate this look, this Ryan Garcia inspired look, with your smartphone and the free Lightroom app only. Now, if you haven't taken the picture yet, I recommend doing it like this. I'll link a video right here how to create this bloomy effect with a little bit of grease on top of your camera lens, so check that out. But if you already have the picture taken with your mobile phone, I will show you how to get as close to this look as possible using the smartphone and the free Lightroom app right now. Now, of course, as always, I've also created a preset on exactly this look. If you don't want to follow along to the whole tutorial, you can also find this preset on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack with over 150 presets that I create for you on this channel. And the cool thing about this all presets pack is that once you buy it, you will be getting all the new presets that are coming out on a weekly basis. So you just have to pay it once and you'll get new presets every week. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. Now, if there's anything else you need, you can always DM me on Instagram at Wommack is my handle. Like today, just request your look, or if you have any other questions, just reach out there. Now, I've said enough. Let's jump right into this tutorial. The first thing we want to do, of course, is open the picture in the free Lightroom app. So we open up the picture right here in the app, and now I've chosen this one of Ryan Garcia as well because the setting just comes really close to the one that we're trying to get. And the first thing you want to do is go to curve on the upper right side and recreate this curve exactly as it is right here. So on the shadows, the bottom left side, you want to pull them up a little bit and then just create that really smooth S curve towards the upper right side. And once you have this copied as it is right here, we're done. Now we just want to boost up the exposure to around plus 0.95 right here, just to really bring those highlights out. And then we want to pull down the contrast to -26 right here. The highlights we want to pull down as well to -19, and the shadows we want to boost up a little bit to plus 15 in this case. The whites we want to pull down all the way to -56, and the blacks we want to pull down as well to -59 right here. And then we're done with the light. We go over to color. Now here we just want to pull down the saturation a little bit to -19. Then we scroll up, hit grading right here, and for the shadows here, we want to boost the hue to 111 right here, and the saturation up to around 17 right there. And the midtones here, we want to boost the hue to 86, as you can see here, and the saturation we want to bring up to around 19. Then for the highlights, we want to boost the hue to 56, that yellow, almost green area, and the saturation in this case all the way up to 48 right here, and then we get that nice yellow tone to the whites, which we want. So we're done here. Then we go over to the mix tab right there. The reds, we're not going to change anything, but for the orange tones, we just want to boost the hue to around plus 20, and the saturation up to plus 39 right here. Then the yellow tones, we just want to boost the hue a little bit to plus 17, that green area. And then we're already done here. Then we go over to effects, and now this is where we're trying to recreate this glowy look. So the first thing we want to do is pull down the texture all the way to -100 here to make it all soft. And now the clarity, we want to pull that down all the way to -59, and now we can see that glowy kind of smoothness coming around those highlights. So this is perfect. And now we just want to add grain up here to around 33, just to give it a little more detail, more vintage vibe, and this is perfect. Now the last thing you can do is go over to detail down here, and now just add some noise reduction to around 18, and color noise reduction to around maybe 41 is good to kind of make it all a little softer, and then we're done here. This is it, guys. Here's a little before and after, and I think we came super close to this Ryan Garcia, Andrew Blue inspired look. Also that glowiness around those spotlights, I think we really nailed those. We're only using our smartphone and the free Lightroom app. We have to keep that in mind because, of course, the real pictures were taken with professional cameras and then probably one of these kind of soft filters on top of the lens to make it all really glowy. Once again, as I said in the beginning, I've also created a YouTube video on how to get that soft look with your mobile phone while taking pictures on a budget with only a little bit of grease. So check that out if you haven't already. But if you have already taken the picture, this is as close as we can get for free. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope this brings you a step closer to where you want to go with your photography with the look. And of course, once again, I've also created a preset on this look on my website. The link is under this video, and it's in the all presets pack if you want to check that out, save some time. There's over 150 presets in that pack, so it's a great deal because every time I create new presets, they're automatically updated to the pack. So you just have to get it once and you'll get new presets every week for free. I think it's a great deal. Make sure to check it out. Link is under this video. And of course, if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to this channel, hit the notifications bell to not miss out on any of my future videos. And if there's anything else you need from me, any new requests that you have, such as this Ryan Garcia look today, always feel free to DM me on Instagram. @StevenWommack is my handle, and I'm always open for conversation. Now, thank you so much for requesting this look today. It was absolutely fun to create that for you, and I just wanted to be super quick today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope I'll see you in the next one. Till then, stay creative, stay healthy, peace.